Well, we're back, everybody, and we did talk Santa into staying through the break for the next show. So he'll be out in just another minute, so just hold on to your seats. Right now, he's back there trying to place a call to the North Pole. But all the substation lines are busy, so he's keeping on trying. But while we're waiting for him to make this call, it gives us a good opportunity to sing him a song. And I hope he listens to the words of this song, because it carries a real important message for us. It tells him what we want for Christmas. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a loony bird in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 purple gloves and a loony bird in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
3 Telecasters,
2 purple gloves and a loony bird in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
4 steady boyfriends,
3 high-top tennies,
2 purple gloves
and a loony bird in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
5 golden bananas.
4 steady boyfriends,
3 sausage pizzas,
2 purple gloves
and a loony bird in a pear tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
6 baby puppies,
5 golden bananas.
4 steady boyfriends,
3 turbo Porsches,
purple gloves
and a loony bird in a pear tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
7 swans a-swimming,
bravo!
6 little puppies,
5 golden bananas.
4 steady boyfriends,
3 second chances,
2 purple gloves
and a loony bird in a pear tree. On the eighth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
It's your turn, Moon. Oh, my turn. Oh, quite frankly, I lost my place with all this purple glove, turbo Porsche nonsense. Let's see. Pipers piping, drummers drumming. Oh yes. 8 is 8 maids a milking.
Now, come on, Moon and Sun, can't you guys think of anything more creative than that? Remember, Santa Claus is listening. Now, come on, think of something crazy and different. You ain't got to go by the book.
My good man, I'll have you know that it's against the copyright laws to tamper with the original text. Why, this place can be raided by police officers at any moment. No. I will stick with the original masterpiece. Thank you very much.
One moment, Moon. I think Fax has a valid point. I think I'll try it. Walk on the wild side. Let's see. Crazy and different. Oh, I've got it. 7 turtleneck sweaters.
I warned you.
6 little puppies,
5 golden bananas.
4 steady boyfriends,
3 blacklight posters,
2 purple gloves
and a loony bird in a pear tree. On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
9 beanie weenies.
8 maids a milking.
7 turtleneck sweaters.
6 little puppies,
5 golden bananas.
4 steady boyfriends,
3 Springsteen concerts,
2 purple gloves
and a loony bird in a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
10 more steady boyfriends,
9 beanie weenies.
8 maids a milking.
7 turtleneck sweaters.
6 baby puppies,
5 golden bananas.
4 steady
$9 million,
and a loony bird in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 kids a hugging.
10 more steady boyfriends, boyfriends.
beanie weenies.
8 maids a milking.
7 turtleneck sweaters.
6 little puppies.
5 golden bananas.
4 steady boyfriends.
3 roller coasters.
2 purple blocks.
And a loony bird in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
12 ridiculously decorated, perforated, somehow understated, insulated, acceptable colanders bought somewhere off the coast of Phoenix, Arizona. How's that?
11 kids a hugging.
10 more steady boyfriends.
9 beanie weenies.
8 maids a milking.
7 turtleneck sweaters.
6 little puppies.
5 golden bananas.
4 steady boyfriends.
3 French hens.
I forgot.
And a loony bird in a pear tree. And a loony bird in a pear tree. And a loony bird in a pear
Wonderful song, gang. And, Billy Bob, I think old Santa caught the important message. Now, I think the lines up at the North Pole substation are finally clear, so I'll try and place that call to Norman. He's my head elf. I left him in charge while I'm gone. Okay, let's see here. Operator, Santa Claus here. Can you hear me? Operator? Operator! Ouch! Yes, operator, can you hear me?
Yes, Santa, I hear you. And there's no reason to shout at the telephone receiver.
Sorry. I would like to make a long-distance call to Norman up at the workshop.
Yes, of course. 1 moment and I'll connect you.
Oh, boy. Isn't this exciting? I sure do miss all the elves up there. It's ringing. Oh, boy, this is exciting. Come on, answer, somebody.
Yeah, Norman's Body Shop, Norman speaking.
Norman, it's me. Just calling to make sure everything's going to be on schedule.
Look, buddy, I told you that wreck's not gonna be ready till Friday.
Norman? Norman, it's me, Santa Claus.
That's your buddy, and I'm the Tooth Fairy. And I got a little present for you. We didn't notice that your bumper was tinted on the back, and it's gonna cost you an extra $2.50. Merry Christmas.
And a Merry Christmas to you, too. Operator, are you sure you called the right number?
The equipment is in working order.
Well, I think I got Norman's Body Shop. I wanted to get Norman up at the workshop, you know, up at the North Pole.
Sorry you were having trouble. I'll connect you.
Santa's workshop. Norman speaking.
Well, bless my stars. Hello, Norman. Santa here. How's everything going up there?
Okay, Santa. Glad you called. We sure do miss you. Hang on. I've got to put you on hold.
Oh, that Norman. He stays so busy.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Look, Santa, we've got a few little problems up here.
Yes, well, I'm sure it's nothing we two can't work out here over the phone. Now tell Santa all about your little problems.
Okay, Santa. First, the Van de Graaff generator is down, and we're getting an accumulation. To obtain a control flow of electricity, it's been necessary to maintain the potential difference between the two conductors. We haven't been able to insulate the charge. In Department 49, the shape-retaining properties of the garments worn by the dolls have been found to be impaired, and some sort of textile auxiliary needs to be applied. An anecdotal decision is required immediately. Furthermore, the variable gear hub assembly on the V270... Santa, could you hold for a second?
Oh, yes, of course.
Anyway, as I was saying, the variable gear hub assembly on the V270 bicycle is shifting out of its axis. We don't know if we should circumvent the sprocket or realign the tension pinion. The switches and
well, I
signals
don't-
from the 1100 train set are not being actuated by the controls
Norman, I don't think we'll be able to take care of these problems here over the phone. I'm on my way as fast as the sleigh can carry me, okay? Norman, so you just hold tight. Don't worry about a thing. Goodbye, Norman. Goodbye. It looked like Norman did indeed have a few little problems.
Oh, Santa, does that mean you have to go?
Yes, I'm sorry, Billy Bob, but it looks like I'm going to have to get back up there to the North Pole and take care of these things. I have so many toys to make and so many things to do to get ready for Christmas Day.
Well, we understand, huh, guys?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. Well, Santa, we sure want you to come back next year. Will you come back?
Oh, indeed, I'll come back. I love coming to Showbiz. Thank you all for inviting me.
You're welcome, Santa.
Welcome. We love you.
I love you all, too.
Yes, Santa.
Oh, one more thing before I go.
What's that?
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Ho, ho, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Bye, Santa.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, Santa. See you next year. Hey, have a